Assalamu alaikum. My name is Zainab. I am a student of Masterclass Pakistan. Currently, I am doing Diploma in Culinary Arts Level 2, which is authorized by CPH. Choosing the field of culinary art was my instinctive decision. I have a great passion for food. I love doing experiments with it. And since culinary art is not merely about preparing a meal, it's a symphony of art and texture, and which can evoke emotions and create unforgettable memories. Since it's the best way to explore different cuisines and culinary traditions all around the world, especially for those who are passionate about travel and culture. In this pursuit of culinary science, I found my way to Masterclass Pakistan. Since I have heard about it a lot from my relatives, from my friends, through social media, so I decided to visit here, and no doubt they literally assured me about my future, about my career. They guided me really well. So I decided to enroll myself in Masterclass Pakistan. Throughout the whole journey of Masterclass Pakistan, I didn't only discover about new meals and new recipes and techniques, but I only found my class fellows who challenged me, my mentor who inspired me, and a rich culinary heritage that inspired me to explore more culinary territories. Masterclass Pakistan offers you hands-on experience under the supervision of expert chef with the kitchen station built on international standard. If you're a culinary enthusiast and want to polish your skills and boost your passion for culinary arts, then you should ride on this culinary adventure with Masterclass Pakistan. Thank you so much.